In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google's new Gemini app on your Android device. The app is currently only available in the US, so for everyone else, you have to wait until the app becomes officially available in your region, or you can access Gemini in your web browser. If you want to experience the Gemini app now, side loading is always an option. First, we need to download the Gemini APK. Your device needs to be running at least Android 12 for this to work. Go to your web browser and search Gemini APK. Download the latest APK from a trusted site such as APK Mirror or APK Pure. On your Android device, go to Settings and search Install Unknown Apps. Enable Allow from the source for your file manager. Go to your file manager, select Downloads and install the Gemini APK. After installation, open the Gemini app and select Get Started. Here you have the option to replace Google Assistant with Gemini. You now have full access to the Gemini app. Thanks again for watching. Peace.